point right in the city of Salem, and what better way to celebrate spooky season than to go to Harbor Suites, and of course with Lieutenant Governor Driscoll. We're here today to learn about what it takes to mold chocolate candy, the ones that we enjoy throughout the year, but especially as we go into holidays like Halloween and the holiday season coming up.
Love being in Salem, particularly in October, and to be able to celebrate Harbor Suites, the work they do here. Gonna have some fun, gonna make some chocolate, and gonna make sure we make Salem proud.
Let's go, come on inside.
Let her roll!
Okay,
There you go.
okay, and then walk
Pull
away.
it there, walk away. Walk.
Okay.
What's the average speed to get something like this done?
Just like that.
They're very
All right, is there a record or anything?
Not there.
How many
Okay.
do you mold a day?
Oh, how many chocolates have you? Oh, thousands and thousands of chocolates a day.
Ay, How come you're not making any sound effects?
Me? I'm concentrating very, very, very hard right now. This tapping thing is secret. That's the magic. I mean, I'm not saying I'm a natural, but I'm saying I'm a natural.
So this is easier. Yeah, we can handle this, okay?
So we
Flip and bang.
Flip and bang.
Yep.
Like,
Yep.
oh. Woo! Woo! I was
So these go right on.
Right on, wherever you want them.
Okay.
Push them down so they stick.
Ooh, this
There
is-
you go. Perfect.
Oh boy, making a mess.
Doing great.
You just made that.
This is awesome. We started off just with the parts and putting the chocolate in. Look how cute these
I
guys
know.
are. And they're ready to go home just for treats for us to enjoy.